The front of the control unit and the foot pedal are sealed and can be wiped off with a damp cloth. Disinfection by wipe-down disinfection, for example, with Schulk microzid wipes. Caution: the control unit and the foot pedal are not approved for automated processing, thermal disinfector, and sterilization. Do not immerse the control unit and foot pedals or clean them under running water. Use only disinfectants without chlorine. Regularly clean and inspect the ESD spring contact on the underside of the foot pedal. It is recommended to wipe off surface dirt with a disinfectant cloth, e.g. Schulk microzid wipes. Only use disinfectants that do not have a protein fixing effect. In order to minimize the risk of damage to the components due to drying out and incrustation, it is recommended that processing be carried out as soon as possible after using the system. When cleaning the minimally invasive handpieces, please note that they can only be cleaned when assembled with the base, reference VMN C2. Connect the cleaning adapter, reference CA100, to an appropriate port of your washing and disinfection device, WD. Positioning in a WD must be carried out in accordance with EN 15883-1 and -2. This also applies to irrigation attachments. One, cleaning phase, 1 minute, 30 degrees Celsius. 2, cleaning phase, 6 minutes, 55 degrees Celsius. 3, rinsing, 1 minute, with demineralized water. 4, thermal disinfection, 5 minutes, 90 degrees Celsius demineralized water. Cleaning agents, 0.5% Neodischer Metaclean Forte, e.g. Dr. Weigert. Drying times depend on the respective program of the WD. The cleaning adapter has an integrated filter disc, reference 64375. The filter disc must be replaced after 20 procedures, cycles, or after 14 days at the latest, whichever comes first. Checking the surfaces. If these are not cleaned sufficiently, the cleaning process must be repeated. The handpieces have to be regularly lubricated, oiled after use or before sterilization. Failure to observe this will shorten the lifespan. Before oil maintenance, check whether the handpieces are dry. Where necessary, they should be dried with compressed air and a clean cloth. Screw the Adior oil spray adapter, reference OA-100, into the Adior Velocity Alpha oil spray, reference OS-100. Oil maintenance is carried out from the engine coupling. Attach it to the oil spray adapter. Use a germ and lint-free cloth to hold the handpiece in place. Spray for max 2 seconds. Oil maintenance can also be carried out with a rotating instrument, cutter, burr, inserted. When oiling the minimally invasive handpieces, please note that they can only be oiled when assembled with the appropriate base. Reference VMN-C2. The saw handpieces can also be oiled only when assembled. Important: Adior recommends a functional test, including a test run of all components before sterilization in the autoclave. The instruments can be autoclaved in the Adior containers. Reference PST-201 or PST-200. Please perform the placement in the containers according to the illustrations and labels on the container bottom. The products are then shrink-wrapped in paper laminate bags, which have been tested in accordance with EN 865-5, or in sterilization paper, which has been tested in accordance with EN 865-2. Steam sterilization in the pre-vacuum process. 4 minutes at 134 degrees Celsius. Drying time depending on the sterilization device. Adior recommends a drying time of 20 minutes. Please note, automated cleaning should be preferred to manual cleaning. Never clean the system in an ultrasonic bath. This video is only for assistance. In order to obtain more precise and further information on the reprocessing of the Velocity Alpha system, please always use the valid version of the instructions for use. Please also observe the applicable warnings in the instructions for use.